Hello, this is Melody. Today I would like to show you how we install this kind of ceiling. These circles are cut from polyester felt panel, and we are now trying to hang it with the tools. So normally we will use this kind of hanging tools to hang them on the ceilings. They are suitable for office, meeting rooms, and like libraries, and also has the function of sound reduction.